One of the most important things to consider when buying a car is how long it will last. A vehicle with good mileage will stay on the road for a long time, saving you money in the long run. A lot of things play a role in how long your SUV lasts: the time of day and weather conditions in which you drive, how often you act on necessary repairs and routine maintenance, and your habits while driving the vehicle. Reliability is crucial, especially if you're trying to save money on your new car. Researching options can be stressful, and that's where we can help. We've come up with our top 5 picks for durable, low-maintenance SUVs. 1. 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek is a unique SUV that comes with all-wheel drive and responsive steering. It costs about $2,076 for maintenance and repairs during its first 5 years of service. J.D. Power gives the Crosstrek a predicted reliability rating of 3 out of 5. You can see that the majority of the 5-year cost of this car goes to insurance, which costs you about $7,000 in 5 years, followed by fuel, which has a combined cost of $6,000 in 5 years. Maintenance takes only about $2,000 in 5 years, which is pretty impressive for a car of this size. These costs include routine maintenance, everyday wear and tear, and anticipated repairs. A brand new Subaru Crosstrek costs about $33,660 on average. After 5 years of depreciation, the average residual value will be $27,601. With the right maintenance at the right time, you could hit 200,000 miles or beyond in your Crosstrek. The Crosstrek comes with only one type of engine, the 147 horsepower 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. 2. 2022 Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is a great SUV. The average Mazda CX-5 lasts about 250,000 miles with proper care, though some may make it even further with excellent maintenance, so you know it's a solid choice. According to CarEdge.com, maintenance costs around $1,900, with the car depreciation by almost $9,000 5 years after purchase. Insurance costs about $7,000 and fuel costs about $6,800 after 5 years. The CX-5 comes with 2 different engines, and each one has its own gas mileage. The Mazda CX-5's basic engine with 187 horsepower is quick and responsive for city driving, like when you're starting from a stoplight or moving fast through town. The standard 2.5-liter engine gets 24 miles per gallon when driving in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. It's not the only engine, however. The stronger 256 horsepower engine delivers more power. The stronger turbocharged engine does a bit less well with gas, getting 22 mpg in the city and 27 mpg on the highway. Both versions have a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission and can power all 4 wheels. 3. 2020 Toyota Highlander. The 2020 Toyota Highlander has a predicted reliability score of 85 out of 100 and comes in 8 trims. It costs $35,000 to purchase a 2020 Toyota Highlander, and it'll cost $1,600 in maintenance costs after 5 years of usage. The car depreciates by almost $10,000 when you want to sell it after 5 years of usage. Insurance costs $8,700, fuel $6,600 over 5 years, and if you got your car on a loan, the interest after 5 years ideally costs about $5,000. According to VehicleHistory.com, a regular Toyota Highlander can easily last between 250,000 to 300,000 miles if it gets the right maintenance throughout its life. It's a very solid car with plenty of room and the ability to carry on for many years. The 2020 Highlander with a V6 engine can get up to 29 miles per gallon on the highway if it has front-wheel drive. If it has all-wheel drive, the mileage is a bit less, reducing by 2 mpg. The hybrid versions of the Highlander do even better with gas, getting 36 mpg in the city and 35 mpg on the highway if they have front-wheel drive. 4. 2021 Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V is one of Honda's smallest and more affordable cars. The 2021 Honda HR-V has a predicted reliability score of 78 out of 100. A Honda HR-V will cost about $1,800 for maintenance and repairs during its first 5 years of service. You lose $6,600 due to depreciation, about $6,000 goes to fuel, and $7,000 goes to insurance. This crossover Honda SUV gets an estimated 28 miles per gallon in the city and 34 mpg on the highway with 2-wheel drive models. With all-wheel drive models and the same standard transmission, drivers can get up to 26 city mpg and 31 highway mpg. If you take good care of your Honda HR-V, it can last between 150,000 to 200,000 miles. As the owner, make sure to drive it in good conditions Be mindful of your driving habits and address any rust or corrosion issues as soon as you notice them. Buying the HR-V means getting a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, as there are no turbocharged options. The Honda's engine is serviceable, producing the power needed to get this vehicle around town while having a towing capacity of 1,500 pounds. This way you can keep your HR-V running well for a long time. 5. 2022 Toyota Venza. The Toyota Venza is a stylish SUV, and some drivers call it the best SUV Toyota will ever make. It's that good, and it's perfect for taking the kids to soccer practice. When it comes to reliability, you always know it's top-notch from Toyota. Maintenance and repair costs for a Toyota Venza will amount to $1,564 after 5 years. With a J.D. Power predicted rating of 80, you can expect a Toyota Venza to last 200,000 to 250,000 miles, and high mileage is anything over 150,000 miles. The Venza delivers 40 mpg city and 37 mpg highway. The 2022 Venza is only available as a hybrid, and it runs on a combination of a 2.5-liter four-cylinder gas engine and 3 electric motors, giving it a total of 219 horsepower. It comes with all-wheel drive as standard. One of the electric motors powers the rear wheels, while the gasoline engine and the other 2 motors drive the front wheels. The Venza is the first Toyota to offer an optional panoramic sunroof called Stargaze, which can change from transparent to opaque with the flip of a switch, a feature usually found in luxury cars like the Mercedes-Benz SL Class. 6. 2020 Nissan Armada. And now, we're adding an honorable mention to our list, the 2020 Nissan Armada. With a predicted reliability score of 91 out of 100, the large SUV has everything you'll ever need. The Armada has a strong V8 engine that works with a smooth 7-speed automatic transmission. You can choose to have it with either rear-wheel or all-wheel drive, and it can tow up to 8,500 pounds. The Armada is quick, has a powerful 390 horsepower V8, and takes only 5.9 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour. This 3-row Nissan will cost just over $2,000 in maintenance and repairs after 5 years. According to VehicleHistory.com, the Nissan Armada will last 300,000 to 400,000 miles. It also comes with standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, along with more optional driver assists. It's a reliable SUV that offers a smoother ride and consistent build quality across the lineup. It comes with a 13 mpg city and 18 mpg highway and can last at least 2 decades with the proper care and maintenance. And that's all we have for today, folks. Our top 5 durable low-maintenance SUVs. Which of them was your favorite? Let us know in the comments section below, and we'll see you in the next one.